Here's a common mistake that trips up even experienced developers. You cannot check if a value is null using the equals operator in SQL. Let's see why and what you should do instead. NULL is special in SQL. It represents unknown or missing data, not an actual value. Because null means unknown. You can't compare it to anything using normal operators like equals or not equals. When you write where column equals null, SQL doesn't know if unknown equals unknown, so it returns nothing. This is why null comparisons evaluate to unknown, which is neither true nor false. The correct way to check for null is with the is null operator. For example, select star from users, here email is null will return all rows where the email column has no value. This operator is designed specifically to test for the absence of data. You'll use this pattern constantly when filtering records with missing information, like finding incomplete user profiles or unfilled form fields. The opposite is is not null, which finds rows where a column has an actual value. For instance, here phone is not null returns only users who have provided a phone number. This is essential when you need to ensure data exists before performing operations on it. When you need to replace nulls with default values, use functions like COALESCE, which returns the first non-null value from a list. For example, COALESCE of status and pending returns pending if status is null. Some databases offer alternatives like IFN, ULL in MySQL or MVL in Oracle, but COALESCE is standard SQL and works everywhere. Remember, NULL is not a value you can compare with equals. Always use is null or is not null to check for missing data. Master this, and you'll avoid one of the most common SQL pitfalls. Practice with Interview Mentor to ace your next technical interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.